Hello guys, so today we're gonna try Dehumidifier SY801. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. It comes with the instruction manual. Dehumidifier is good if you have a lot of humidity in your home. This is the water reservoir. Let's open it. We have the charger here. So we're gonna try this Morecore Dehumidifier today. We're gonna set it in the kitchen, bedroom. If you have a basement, this is perfect. So especially if the weather or the temperature is very humid. Easy to use. This is the water reservoir. We're just gonna add our water in there. It's perfect for small spaces. So it's a one-touch button. It's pretty quiet. It also has an LED light. It changes colors, and you can actually see how much water is there. It has auto shut off. We're gonna try it in different areas in the house. Perfect for the bedroom. It's nice that it's not too big. It's just a perfect size. So if you guys wanna try or you wanna check out Morecore Dehumidifier, I'll link it in the description box below.